Hey there, if you're tired of finding spiders creeping around your home, I've got a simple trick that actually works, and all you need is some plain old white vinegar. Here's the deal. Spiders have super sensitive receptors on their legs, and they basically taste every surface they walk on. The acetic acid in white vinegar totally messes with those sensors, making your home a place they'll want to avoid. Here's how you do it. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water. That's 1 cup vinegar to 1 cup water. I like to use a spray bottle for easy coverage. Just spritz the mixture around windows, door frames, and any cracks or gaps where spiders might be sneaking in. Don't forget outside entryways and patios too. Now, the best time to spray is early evening, especially during spider season from September to November. That's when those little 8-legged explorers are most active. If it rains, just reapply. Water will wash it away. If you're not a fan of the vinegar smell, there's a cool hack swap in peppermint oil, or try scented vinegars like wild rhubarb or lemon. They'll still have the spider-repelling power, but smell way fresher to us humans. A couple quick safety notes. Always patch test your spray on delicate surfaces first, just in case, and keep the bottle out of reach of kids and pets. So, next time you spot a spider, put down the shoe and pick up the vinegar. It's cheap, easy, and way more humane. Give it a try, and let me know if your home feels a little less spidery.